If you're looking to make a special birthday video, something that really stands out and shows how much you care, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through step by step exactly how to create a birthday video using CapCut in your browser. Whether you want to surprise a friend, family member, or even just make a memory for yourself, by the end of this video, you'll know how to put together a fun, personalized birthday greeting that looks professional, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to open CapCut in your browser. So grab your laptop or desktop and head to the CapCut website. If you've never used CapCut before, don't worry. CapCut is free to use and works right in your browser, so you don't need to download any software or apps. Just type capcut.com into the address bar and you'll be taken straight to their online editor. Once you're there, look for the button that says Create New. It's usually big and pretty hard to miss, right on the main dashboard. Go ahead and click that. This starts a fresh project, and choosing the right starting point is important for keeping your video organized and easy to work with. After you click Create New, you'll see an option to select Blank Canvas. Pick this option. Think of it like a piece of blank paper where you can design anything you want. There's no preset structure, so you get full creative control over how the birthday video will look. The next step is where things get really fun. Selecting a template. CapCut has loads of templates you can use to take your video from basic to brilliant in just a few clicks. In the template search bar, type birthday. Take your time here and scroll through the options. There are all kinds, from cute and colorful to more elegant and stylish. If you want your video to match the personality of the person you're celebrating, maybe choose a template that feels cheerful or quirky. Or go for something classic if that suits the occasion better. When you find a template you like, click on it to apply it to your blank canvas. The template instantly adds background music, transitions, and animated elements to your video, kind of like giving you a head start so you don't have to build from scratch. This is super helpful, especially if you're making a video on a tight schedule, or if design isn't really your thing. Now, it's time to make it your own. Click the Edit button to personalize the birthday video. You can swap out placeholder photos for your own images, add fun video clips, type in a heartfelt message, or even drop in inside jokes that will really make your recipient smile. The editing tools in CapCut are pretty intuitive. Drag and drop to rearrange scenes, resize text, or change colors. If you want to add your own music or voiceover, you can upload audio files right here as well. Take your time with this part. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get things just how you want them. Editing is all about experimenting and making tweaks until it feels right. CapCut lets you preview your video at any stage, so hit play every now and then to see how everything is coming together. If something looks off, just undo or adjust it. When you're happy with the final product, you're ready to export and share your birthday video. Maybe send it over email, message, or even play it at a birthday party. All right, you did it. You've not only learned how to make a birthday video in CapCut, but you've created something fun and heartfelt that's bound to make someone's special day even brighter. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy creative tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy celebrating!